Hi folks, I've just got off a call from Andrew Broadhead, one of the subscribers at Mbira.online, and he's asked if I can show a link between the Progression 2 video, where we looked at a right hand note pattern and a sort of left hand improvisation exercise that I said was a halfway point to forwards kushara, basic kushara part that he plays in one of our videos on the site. So I'm putting this little video together to help you guys link the Progression 2 video and forwards kushara. In his left hand, he's playing this little pattern here. I'm just going to break it down into little groups of 3 notes. It's a useful way to think about it. So our first 3 notes. Next 3 notes, part 2, part 3, and part 4. So we've kind of got like low, mid, high, low, mid, high. There's a little adaptation that you can make in parts 1 and 2. Rather than playing this note here, a 4, we could play 1s instead, and that continues this sort of low, mid, high, all the way through the whole song. Might be a useful adaptation for you, might not. I'll just show it to you. So we've got low, mid, high, then low, mid, high, and then part 2, part 3, part 4. So let me just remind you of the right hand part, and then I'll show you how we can play that against what we've got going on here. There's a little bit of weirdness because we've got a note over here that's going to sit in between some other notes. I'll get to that in a second. So the right hand part. Let's pop that against forwards version before I give you the adapted version. Oh, sorry. Just thinking about this little shuffle bit here. So have a little practice of this first before you go in. We've got a 3, another 3, and then this 3 again. You're going to be playing that a couple of times during a song during chord 6 and chord 3. Here we go. Okay, so now with the adapted left hand we're playing, I'll just remind myself. And then the rest is the same. And once you've got all of that down, then you're really close to forwards version. There's only some small changes in the right hand. You got the left part down. Nice one. Well done. Thanks so much.